Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today, first Friday of the month. Yes, it's today, Friday, August the 4th, 2023. And we have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku and the Tectonic. And as you know, the first Friday of the month I will do a speed test. So I will do these two puzzles with the speed test, but in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve in the evening. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, the first one, 6863. 6863. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. For 27 printed digits, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, it's a 1 star Sudoku. For 1 star Sudoku, you need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright? But we have a speed test. That means no comments, no instructions. So let's get started. 2 minutes already passed. Okay. 4 here. Okay. 4, 1, 5, 7, 8. 5, 7, 8. Okay. 7, 7, 2, 2, 2, 5, 5, 5, 1, 2, and a 3. Need a 2 here. 1, 1. Come on. 2, 2. Need a 2 here. 2, 2. Think. 9. One. Need a 1 here. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. 8. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. No, 5 and a 6. 8 and a 3. 3, 1, 2. And a 2 here. Need a 7 here. Here should be a 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 5, 5, 5. Okay. Need a 5 here. 1. Nope, we have a 1 here. 2. This is not 1. 4. 4, 8, 9. 4, 8, 9. This is not good. The 3 here. The 7 here. 3. 1, 1. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Need a 1 here. 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Need a 4 here. No 9. Need a 9 here. 4 and a 9. 8. 4 and a 9. 7, 6 and 8. 5 and a 6. 4, 2, 3, 6. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 9 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9. 9, need a 9 here. 9. This should be the 9. This should be the 4. Okay. 4, 4, 4 and the 5. No, 4 and the 8. 4 and 8. No 8 here. 8. No 8. 8 should be here. 8 should be here. 5 and the 7. 7, need a 7 here. 5. This should be the 5. This should be the 5. 6 and the 3. 6. This should be the 6. 8 and the 3. 8 and the 9. No, 8 and the 4. This should be the 8. 4, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 and a 6. 6, 8. Finishing 7 minutes. Alright. -2, 5 minutes. Okay. Well, I'm pleased with the time. If you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other puzzle, the tectonic, also a speed test. And in the evening, the rest of the puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.